Guys, look, we have more snow today. It's now still snowing. I think we're going to get at least 4 more inches. This is crazy and it's so cold out. Look at guys, look how much snow we have already. And it's windy, the wind is blowing. I don't know if you could see the snow. It's just crazy. Look, my yard is buried. My chicken coop, our chicken coop is all, the only thing you could see is shape of the snow. It's piling up. I don't know, but hopefully this is the last snow we're gonna get, because we're having this snow until tomorrow at 6 a.m. So, ay. I don't even want to go outside. So I have to wait. Hopefully my husband will clean up my car, or I won't be driving tomorrow. But yep, that's the update, guys. We have a snowstorm until tomorrow at 6 a.m. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.